Well folks, just finished a meeting on day 3 with Moreton Bay Council. Worked out really well here at the beautiful Pine Rivers Park at Strathpine. You can see our barbecues here.
Hey team, just out and about with the van in Brisbane today, and I just popped into Kangaroo Point cliffs for a quick look, and I just noticed that there's some of our Citistyle table settings. These have been installed for many years now and are still looking as good as ever, as new as the day they were put in. What an awesome place to stop and have lunch.